terms which have to be clearly specified, and offers and discounts that can be mentioned very clearly in offer letters.
Correct, ma'am. And at the end, they are giving the assurity that they want to change their order. They want to respond to that
order.
And
enclosed are catalog and price list, which tells the buyer which helps the buyer to make selections and place orders.
Correct, ma'am. So without enclosure, our reply letter will not be completed. Yes, ma'am. So some practices for the students, ma'am.
Yes,
Shall
definitely.
we have
I think
a focus?
That will help them a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So first inquiry, that is, you read in the newspapers that Eastern and Western Stores Limited, Mumbai, are holding their annual sale in the current month, and you want to order some reports material required by you. As a proprietor, Khelkut Stores, write a letter to students, you need to write a letter to the Eastern on behalf of Eastern and Western Stores Limited, and you have to inquire about the price, about the condition, and about the offer, how much discount they are going to provide to you. So let's have a look on that, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Click on the link. Let us have a quick link quick look at the link where the answer Gujarat Sports Academy inquiry is there.
Yes,
Gujarat
ma'am.
Sports Academy, Andheri West Road, registered office, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, is the address of the organization where the letter is being written. The sender, date followed by the receiver's address. The subject is inquiry for sports good. Dear sir, now you can have a look at the letter.
We read with interest your advertisement in the Industrial Times. We have been associated with various sports academy in Gujarat. The demand of sports material is rapidly increasing in the recent period. So we plan to enhance our business by additional material and new gaming tools, ma'am. So here, this is just here they are giving the explanation about their own organization. Kindly send us your catalog and price list for wholesale purchases. Since our annual requirements in sports material for all game gadgets exceed ₹1 lakh, we would like to place regular orders with you. Hence, please quote your most favorable price and terms. And followed by yours faithfully, Gujarat Sports Academy. So this is the inquiry letter which is written by the Gujarat Sports Academy. They want to purchase some sports material from the particular organization of the Eastern and Western Stores Limited, that is from the Mumbai, ma'am. Now, ma'am, how that Eastern and Western stores will reply?
Yes. So let us go forward to how the Eastern and Western. Let us have a look at the letter from Eastern and Western stores.
They should use that same format. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, definitely. They would be using the same kind of format, full block format, everything aligned with the left hand side margin, and information divided into the 3 paragraphs that we have talked about. So the subject line would be quotation for sports material. Dear sir, many thanks for your inquiry regarding sports material. We have pleasure in enclosing an illustrated catalog of our products. That is, they are providing picture wise. Terms of sales are illustrated on page numbers 4 and 5. The second paragraph, the enclosed catalog shows trade discount. While placing your order, you are requested to deposit with us 25% of the invoice value. So these are the terms of payment that they expect. They want 25% of the total value to be deposited in advance. The balance of the invoice value will have to be paid to the bank. So they have clearly specified the terms of payment, how the payment has to be made. We shall be pleased to book your order for delivery within 15 days from the receipt of the order. Yours faithfully, Eastern Western Stores, and see that they have enclosed catalog and price list. When you are inquiring for a letter, you might not actually have an enclosure since you are just inquiring. But in an offer letter, an enclosure becomes necessary since you might have a long list of products and you might have their corresponding prices, models, size, and shapes. So, normally, an offer letter or a quotation letter would have an enclosure in the form of a catalog or a price list or a quotation letter, etc.
Correct, ma'am. So, shall we give them the homework, ma'am?
Yes, definitely. Let them practice a little bit because these two exercises we help them do. So let us have one inquiry letter for them to work on. As the owner of Keep Time, that is the name of a shop, draft a letter to Hindustan Watch Company, Mumbai, asking for a copy of their latest catalog for bulk purchase. Ask for best trade terms for the supply of their watches and clocks.
Correct, ma'am. So, and one for the quotation or offer letter. It means you have to give the reply to the Ashoka Tools. Write a letter from Ashoka Tools Limited. That is the name of the organization that you have to write a letter. Giving quotation for the supply of electrical pump sets. Emphasize in your letter the installation service, after sales service and replacement facilities provided to your customers. So this is all about reply letter, ma'am.
Okay, who would this letter be written to? Who would be the receiver of the letter? Nothing seems to have
Nothing.
been mentioned in the letter.
So, ma'am, what we should use?
I think the students should think about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Who should they respond to? Because they
There is
are
no
writing,
name has been given.
Yes, so they can
So what should we do?
think about certain details which they
Correct,
can
ma'am.
build up on their own.
Correct.
Can we go back to the previous
Sure, ma'am.
letter where we had inquiry letter? In inquiry letter, name of the sender as well as name of the receiver of the letter has been
been
mentioned.
given.
Who's the sender of the letter here?
Nobody is there.
Keep Time.
Sorry.
Keep Time is the sender of the letter, whereas receiver of the letter here has been mentioned as Hindustan Watch Company Limited. But in the quotation letter, we have just mentioned the sender's name. So the students can write a letter giving their own
Company name.
name. They can think up of some name.
They can
where
write
they
their
can-
own
Address
name,
also.
address
Also,
Yes,
absolutely,
ma'am. So
yes.
here, you know, ma'am, sometimes this kind of examples, even this kind of questions have been asked into the examination,
Yes.
and students are making the mistakes where they should write the name of the company. That company which is writing a letter, they don't know where the company name has been given. So you should always see that who is going to write to whom. If the
Yes.
company name has not been given, you should think on that which company is writing a letter. Either the address has been given or not. If it is not given, think it and then write it.
Yes.
So that is
most
most
of the
important
times
aspect, ma'am.
In exams, the students have to be careful. I'm just repeating, Shilpa, what you said.
Yes,
that the
ma'am.
students have to be very careful. Most of the information is provided in the question itself. Name of the sender and the address. Name of the organization to whom the letter has to be written or the receiver. But if suppose it is not given, the students can think of a suitable receiver of the letter and build up an address on their own. They need to provide a subject in all the letters. Whether it is an inquiry letter or a quotation letter, subject is very necessary. Mentioning the date and mentioning the reference number of the letter is also very necessary. Instead of writing, as Shilpa was telling you earlier, instead of writing respected sirs, we normally now write dear sirs. Shilpa, can you tell them, repeat a little bit about what we discussed about first paragraph and other paragraphs? What
Yes,
should come
ma'am.
in the first
In
paragraph
the
of
first
the letter?
paragraph, they should always focus that from where they have selected such information. The source of information,
Yes.
either from the advertisement or by some other resources. They know by the privately or they know by themselves or by the advertisement.
Yes.
TV advertisement, newspaper advertisement.
Okay.
So that is all about the source of information.
Information,
They should
yes.
also explain about themselves also.
Yes.
That what that company is and what exactly they are producing and what is the purpose of the writing of that particular letter. Either
So
it is
in a-
inquiry letter or a reply letter.
So-
But they should always focus that what exactly the production of that particular company.
So, in a quotation letter, they should begin by giving a brief self introduction, followed by some information about where they came to know of that other company and the purpose of the letter. Whereas in case of a reply, in case of an offer or a quotation, they should definitely thank the sender of the letter, they should show interest, and they should try to ensure that they are very keen on doing business with the inquirer of the letter.
Even one more thing, ma'am, that is not there, that they should always enclose the catalog and
Yes.
quotation with the reply letter.
Reply letter,
Without
definitely.
quotation and catalog, the reply letter will not be completed,
Not be
ma'am.
completed, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
definitely.
Sure.
That is very true. So they have students, you can work on the exercises that have been given, and I hope the lecture has been of some help to you. If there are any queries or any questions, we are very happy, we would be very happy to answer them for you. So please phone in, or you can send your inquiries to us. We would be very happy to address them. Thank you very much. Thanks
Thank you.
a lot.
Thank you.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.